So if you have a brand and you want to create a stunning logo for your brand, you can create a professional logo from a free application named Canva. So you need to open your Canva application, then you need to search logo at the top search bar, logo at the top and search it. And it will show you many templates here. You can just easily select any free template, or if you have a pro subscription for the Canva, you can select any pro template as well. So for now, I want to select I have a pro, so I have a pro application, so I can select any template I want to. So I just select this template. I really like the design. So for example, my agency name is Clipcrafter. I can edit that as well. uh, you can just click on that and you can edit it. And here you can add any other alphabet from the elements. Okay, so this is how you can create a logo in Canva application, which is very simple, and you can create in just 10 minutes or even 5 minutes.